Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, dark as usual. But what can we do? This is the environment that we're living in, so we just have to suck it up and just thank God for Jesus. You know, it's not all bad. It's not all bad, but it's still, I think it's better when the sun is out. So yes. So guys, have you seen Ivany come out of jail? And Ivany promised she go try to be more decent. But anybody who believe Ivany when she said that, they clearly do not know Ivany. Or they probably have just started following Ivany since she becomes a Barbie baby. But for those of us who have been keeping up with Ivany and her antics from Jamaica days, we know that Ivany is gonna be Ivany. But it's a girl that's doing her thing. I always say, if you don't have good to say, nobody say nothing. Just wish somebody the best and keep it moving. But on a different level, you know, Ivany is gonna be Ivany. So when Ivany come out of jail, because she spent, how long Ivany spent? I think Ivany spent about 3 months, either 3 or 2 months in jail. In jail. And when she came out of jail, Ivany said she go, you know, try the things differently because for her and the baby, and she's gonna try to change up certain liberty, and she's not gonna be getting involved in certain things as much. But anybody who believes Ivany, or anyone who fell for that, they are a little bit Looney Tunes. Yeah, you're a little bit Looney Tunes, because Ivany not stay so, my love. Ivany not stay so. When Ivany was in jail in Jamaica, Ivany said she was gonna become a Christian. We haven't seen that. She's gonna start change her life, and she's gonna start doing all these things. And I was so rooting for Ivany, not necessarily with the Christian thing or whatever, but changing our life in a more positive way. After that, I not even remember if Ivany did remember, so she said she go do those things, because Ivany went straight back to being Ivany. No, since Ivany came out from ICE, because guys remember she was locked up. So after Ivany came out from ICE, again Ivany decided to say, yeah, you know what, I need to do something different. I can't be living my life like this, especially now that I have a baby and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna try and live my life better. Boom! Here comes Cheese and Ivany. But Cheese, as a big woman still, Cheese are fat enough. I don't understand why these grown-ass women, like, me understand that none of we don't want to get old, you know. None of us don't want to get old, but it's part of life. So what are we gonna do? We have to just accept it as it is, and just move forward. We can't say we don't want this and we don't want that when it is a part of life. That's how you go. From the moment you was conceived, you start get old. From 1 day old to 100 years old. So we all getting old. So, but Cheese look like, even though she get older and older, Cheese, I haven't seen, I not see Cheese adapt like a more mature approach to doing things. And it's like she don't talk, she's not friends with people in her age group. She's friends with people who are young enough to be her offsprings. I'm not saying nothing is wrong with that, but that is just a bit odd for someone in their late 40s, mid to late 40s, and all your friends are below 30. Like, That normal? That not normal. I don't think that is normal. You understand? But that's how they have chosen. I don't know if it do for them lifestyle, but my big man like cheese. I don't think cheese is gonna run up and down with Ivan. Like, you just don't want to let go. You're almost half a century. Come on now, man. Leave it up and I mean, nobody cannot tell you how to live your life or what to do, but yeah, man, drop your socks, man. Drop your socks a little bit, because as a big woman, it don't look good. It don't look good. So, people, so Ivana went and did her boobs the other day, which mean I have no problem with whoever want to do whatever it is that they want to do to themselves. People are perfectly fine to do whatever it is that they think is necessary to enhance whether your mental state or your physical state or whatever the state that you're in. People gonna do things to enhance themselves, right? So if she feel the need to do her boobs, well, go ahead and do it. Nothing wrong. Anyway, she said she asked Cheese to come to Miami with her to get it done, and some banga come up, right? So after she and Cheese, so she could ask Cheese to go to Miami. But these people fall out all the time. These people, every minute them fall out, then agree back, then fall out, then agree back, then come. I don't know how people do it, because I have to take away myself from toxicity. I say the word name? Yeah, me have to take away myself from that. I can't. That's why I mean, our friends, you know, like my friends them sometime all 1 year, me not see them. Now I have to talk on the phone sometimes 6, 7, 8, 9 months. But then again, we pass through, we know say I love where I come with. But anyway, Cheese and Ivany kick off, and Ivany attack up the things them, and Cheese attack up the things them. Why, oh boy. And as usual, you know that kids are being drawn in the war. These people not less than draw the kids in a them war that they have. So I'm gonna insert Ivany and what's your name? I'm gonna insert some clippings with Ivany and Cheese, and you can hear and see from the horse's mouth what actually went down. Sorry, go down some more. Thank you. So you will see what happened from the horse's mouth. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, and make we're gonna do like a drama too. Some you know, sometimes you have to listen to a bit of drama for just laugh and carry on, because life is already so serious. Yeah, life is already so serious, so we have to just take a bit of a laugh where we can laugh. We can't be serious all the time. Anyway guys, I'm gonna be inserting the clip with Cheese and Ivany, and we are gonna be hearing what it's about. Anyway, remember to like, share and subscribe. Oh, my motto twist up. Like, share and subscribe, people, and I will see you in the next clip. Peace.
I don't need to listen when the old foot gal say, could I have my stiff breast them in my chest and go over some battle? I have my stiff breast them in my chest and go over some battle long breast gal. Gal will do them breast and them breast still there, them ankle. Because it's cheaper. Them got cheap place and get cheap breast just a drop off of them chest. But could I use my stiff breast run over long breast gal live? You're crazy. You must say mad. She's not really help me with nothing, you know. So let me get that out of the way. She not really help me with nothing. You think she help me with something, she not really help me with nothing. You don't know the truth when the light turn off. I'ma tell you the truth. Cheese we wake up 8 a.m. in the morning and she go downstairs. And when she go downstairs and she smoke, she don't come back up till 12 a.m. The only time she come back up in the hotel room is when her phone dead. And you say, you come for help me. 8 a.m. every morning on the dot. She get up and she go downstairs. She have a look at handbag. She put her weed them in there. She charge up her phone. She carry one juice and one of the snack them and she head downstairs because she not smoking in the room with ice there. I tell her, say, girl, anyways, me didn't know when she come in and she start class and she go out. When she done now, smoke, she took out the weed and she start smoking up the baby. I say, you can't smoke in and she said she go downstairs because she can't deal with this. She have to burn her weed. That's the first attitude. Second attitude she start give me from the other place. What we did now? Hold on, the message, wait. Nah, blood clot ramp. Oh, see it ya? Me never go talk until I find them. See it ya? Me never go continue my story until I find them. Look, you know. And this alright. You remember the text of me the show first? What date it was? Not the 17. Wednesday the 17. See it there? Wednesday the 17, right? You can see it? Read. I text my man and I say, I wanna go home. I don't like the way my friend behaving. And my man say, what she doing? I say, babe, she too ghetto and disgusting. She and her baby father been having problem from last night, and whenever she answer the phone, they cursing, but I don't give a fuck about that. It's the behavior on the road, shouting out loud, cursing, saying bad words, behaving real ghetto. What real get too bad and worse with my baby. I hate it so much. Today I'm at the surgery place. It is so quiet and she start cursing. Everybody looking. She went outside and I could still hear her inside cursing. I don't like those manner. People should know how to behave when outside, especially with me. I'm not those ghetto loud ass vulgar person. I don't like it. No, I'm mad about that and I want to go home. It's bothering me so bad. I told her, but still I don't like that energy around my son. Man, she crack as fuck. That's what I'm send and I'm send go give my man, right? I send that go get land because I tell her, I been a text her. Oh, a moderator over here. I'm a moderator them there. Yeah, because I want some of them for lift up. More moderator on TikTok, please. Let me see. 1 minute, my Instagram people. I have to take them. Some people can't watch the live. I block them and then mute them. I'm not seeing none of my sensation them. Sheens, comment Sheens. I'm going to give a moderator. I don't need to listen when the old foot gal say. Could I have my stiff breast them in my chest and go over some butter long breast gal. Gal will do them breast and them breast still there, them ankle. Because it's cheaper. Them got a cheap place and get cheap breast. Cheap breast just a drop off of them chest. But could I use my stiff breast run over long breast gal live? You're crazy. You must say mad. Sheens me give a moderator. You must say mad. But now go over no girl where wear sheen breast, my love. A fashion over them, yeah. Pretty little thing. You're crazy. Well, on there, I'm going to go look for a receipt, you know, because she not a receipt for sure, you know. She not a receipt for sure, you know, because I be a make sure I make up things, you know. I mean, I make up nothing. So, I could talk now. So, after I done share that, and guys, tell me if I'm wrong. I want to not take, I want thing about me, I can't take when I'm wrong. I can't take when I'm wrong. So, I text her, I tell her she loud, I call her, I talk to her about the situation. It never changed. Me and my man a text, I'm show my man one vibes. Am I wrong to do that? That for sure you say I have a problem with her behavior. Fine. We left from this now and we go home, right? Reach home now, buy a grocery, whatever. They are the house, cook and everything. I never really have a problem when I did it. She's not really help with nothing, you know. So when I get that, out of the way. She not really help me with nothing. You think she help me with something, she not really help me with nothing. You don't know the truth when the light turn off. I'ma tell you the truth. Cheese we wake up 8 a.m. in the morning and she go downstairs, and when she go downstairs and she smoke, she don't come back up till 12 a.m. The only time she come back up in the hotel room is when her phone dead. And you say, you come for help me. 8 a.m. every morning on the dot. She get up and she go downstairs. She have a little handbag. She put her weed them in there. She charge up her phone. She carry one juice and one of the snack them, and she head downstairs because she not smoking in the room with ice there. And when she carry down ice downstairs, when she carry her bag and her smokings downstairs, she do not come back up until 12 hours when her phone dead. You see, when she come up when the phone dead, and when she come up at that the time, they know she will say, Ice, you want to change her or no? And she see him, and she will go take him up, and she will go bathe him, or she will go make one bottle. From the other at the hotel there, and me I help myself. All of my breasts are at me, because my pitney, I'm now go ask a girl if you bathe my pitney and do this and do that. I do it myself. So she can't, so she help me. Help me, she not help me. More time I have to say, Cheese, you can't bathe off ice for me, please. The 2 times I ever look on her and say, Cheese, you can't bathe off ice for me. And from that, I don't ask her for help me again. I don't ask her for do nothing for me again. And I do it by myself. Period. And I do it by myself. One day now again, after that done now and gone, me all have messages. Actually, alright. I'm going to show you say and a lie me I tell about that. What the fuck? And what the ice? Ice and ice, man, come on for live on there. Sorry about that, I don't know what the ice. Moderator, block all who was in live and attend to ice. Even if I gift us them, block them know. Me I go prove. Mama moderator for my Instagram too. Who want to be moderator for my Instagram? Anybody will mention nothing about baby, block. Could have been my friend then, block. Let's see who forget moderator over here. Alright, they love. Me give moderator. Hold on, others moderator. Confirm. Me give moderator. Do the job. Alright. I'm going on one next message. But I'm going crap because I don't want the person. I don't want the person name for sure because person don't mix up and person do blanga. If you don't know ice, then I know so that's the ice bar before him sleep. Now go stop me from talk today. Today me I talk. I go look hold on. Clap me now top. Me I talk my story. Well I'm gonna go look for my next receipt. No, Happy 6 months. Happy 7 months. Hold on, guys. Take me send one voice note. Hold on.
You know, say, you know.
So my friend, one of my friend them text me. One of my friend them text me and I tell me say, me need for rest because she send me a story. And she text me and I tell me say, me need for rest. I'm send her one voice note and say this.
Me can't hold down. I when me stick, you know. I when used to pregnant, I'm so a baby. I'm back a kid, me with the upper fix pram same way. I put up pram and dresser. I when me sick like that, me I clean down the place. Me is just not the bed type of person, but me I try still. I try to lay down, but me not the bed person. I can't stay in the bed, yeah, man. I can't turn in the bed, but me go lay down there. I don't really lift nothing but one and two times I lift up ice car. She's always a smoke and he can't smoke on ice, and always downstairs. And when he's downstairs, he spend all 3 hours down there. So I don't want bother him every minute to call him up to come look on ice. So sometimes he just take him up and bathe him myself. But you know that every
So your sister, a girl not really help me with no, I'm a friend me talk, and I like a chat her. My friend asked me why I'm not arrest, and me put in the party. Back to that now, after that done and that gone. We stay so book now, never have no more problem, everything done. Done. For come away yard now. Remember me saying our ticket book already, my ticket book already. We reach at the airport now, right? When we reach at the airport now, me I got American Airlines, she I got Delta Airlines. So me come off, the man dropped me off first last night, as Jamaican that's yesterday, and then him go drop she at Delta Airlines. Me pay $40 for my bag. When me did come, a $40 I pay. When me I go back, a $40 I pay. She a cost say she pay $100. How the hell you pay $40 for your bag come, but you go back now and you pay $100? My suitcase bigger than Fair suitcase. My suitcase have my stuff and my son's stuff. Fair suitcase only have Fair, and I like she buy clothes or not. So what in a Fair suitcase make it reach $100? So she a cost, but me shouldn't have pay $100 whatever. Like, you know, when you behave like you want somebody to say, alright then, me pay the $100 for you. Me pay $100 for you. Me never say nothing. I just did a listen to her, and a girl can call me down and a girl can scam me. After now, she did and me and her on the phone. She must say, me no know she paid the $100 what go on with her bag. One night time, me used to check out dash out some or close them. Me don't know what she do. Me never penetrate that because me have my one problem them a go on. She felt disrespectful. Me block you since you look like you are one of her lawyer them. Block come off of my life. Anyways, then no one, me and her, one time we reach upstairs now, when we go up and fear flight earlier than mine. So when she forgot book on, she said, Vani, like should I say, me not remember if a $40 fare or $50 fare, one of them. So like should I say, Vani, me fear of $50, send me off, I'ma put off. $40 or $50, one of them. Our fare can't be $100. Because when me come to New York, she's tell me say not take yellow taxi. And from the airport to where she's live, it's not $100. I pay less than $30. It's not $100 for Sugar Yard. She herself not take no taxi where she have to pay $100. She don't even like spend money. She don't even like spend money. She not pay that. If a taxi man tell she's $100 from the airport for Gaya, she's rather walk or she's rather take the chain. I know I like my aunt because she not pay that. She tell me say it was $40 or $50. She said, Vani, make sure say you said it. I said, alright, then I go send it. Anyways, no, you know, I'm getting a little antics with the people them on the plane or whatever. My name remember for send it, you know. So it look like she land now. She land now at New York, and she has said, remember for sending something for the fear. So I say rotting. I told me you know want to look a flight argument or whatever. So I go send it right to you now per Zelle. My Zelle are $20. Listen now guys. My Zelle this woman $20 for put towards her fear. And at this me only hear she send me and then me get a block. Hold on. So I want to tell me where Ivan is wrong in this or where this girl block me for and start this madness. I'm the phone at the pants, so I go record it after that. Alright, so after now I send her $20. After now everything I go so back now I send her the $20. Me only say she text me back. Cold. Her cheese making catch cold with her bad spirit. As me reach round her, my baby start get one big old wingworm on him foot. She's a bad spirit girl. So anyways now, one time me go about now I'm at the airport now, right? And she link me and she say, me fi send her the money or whatever. This is the message. Look. After she send me for send her the money or whatever, I send her, I sell her $20. When I send her the $20, look what the girl say. After this, me I got my bed, because I'm done. She said, send, after I sell her the money, well, I'm going to go back up and play the, turn up this. Hold on. Hold on. Hear what she say? That before she vex, you know. You see when she send me the voice note, they say, alright, me I go call him, I just land, I could see her DP. Listen what she said, good.
Okay, alright, then me go call him, I just land.
Them the time that me and her good. Me and the girl good, the girl have up her DP and everything. You see, after she said that, and it look like she realized I'm going to send the $20 per Zelle, here where the girl go say now. Vex, she vex, that's no, you hear it in her voice.
Send me a Zelle.
Then she send one message and she say, you, hold on. She say, you to make it up so I send you back the $20. She can't even construct a proper sentence. She say, you to make it up so I send it back. So me I say, Mike, I text her back and I say, I don't understand why I say I just land. Then when I look, the girl block me. So in everything, guys, tell me all this, son. I book your ticket for you to go to Miami. Me book my ticket for go to Miami. Me book your ticket for come back from Miami. Every time we take a taxi fare go somewhere, and me I fear pay the fare go everywhere because obviously I me make you come, so me I go pay the fare. And my money buy grocery in her house. When we go to supermarket, she not pick up. She pick up more than all me pick up. I mean I make it be a problem. Me buy every single thing. She want weed everything. Me buy them. She even thought, alright, yes, one time I do my surgery, I send her $150 per Zelle for buy my medication. And my medication them don't pass $60 and she don't give me the rest of money. Up till now, she not give me back my rest of change and me not ask her feet. Me not ask her feet. I give her $150. And the receipt, the man, she never want to send me the receipt. And later on, I ask her, I say, how much of the medication them? Because I say she not tell me no, she not give me back my change no nothing. And she said it not even pass $60. And she take, when she said it not even pass $60, I'm going to ask her for the money. I'm going to make it be a problem and make that go on. So, oh no, you have said $50 for your fare or $40 for your fare. If you did say, Barney, I not have no fear. Send me a $50 for pay my fare. I would have sent her the $50. Simple. If you say, Barney, I not have no fear. Send me $50 or send me $30 or send me $40. I would have sent it to you. You said, send me half and make me make up and pay me fare. So I send you $20. 20 and 20 are how much? I send you $20 and before you even come and Miami, I ask if you want me to pay you for you help me in the house and whatever. You say no, you're my friend, just buy a ticket and come. I'm glad you say no to because you don't do nothing for me pay you. You come like me here in Miami for you stay downstairs. You stay all the way downstairs and smoke every day. You don't help me with nothing right now. My breast them under pain. You don't help me with nothing. And my beard, and I can't count on my finger how much time your beard ice. I can't count on my finger how much time your beard ice. And the fact that I send you $20, when I look, I try to call this girl, you know, but tell this girl everything was going on at the airport, you know. I call her to make sure, you know, say, I'm still there at the airport. When she's there yard and comfortable, me and my baby stranded at the airport because we get kicked off a flight. Then put up on one flight and the man knows so I never going to reach the flight in time because the flight there way around so. By the time I reach down there, I miss the flight. But they have to wait. Them send no more flight. At the hotel, I got plan to book it back and then get one next flight tomorrow. I'm say, you know, my money now go down the drain. I have to talk to a manager in an American airline for them put me on a flight. And I have to be at the airport. I reach at my yard hours o'clock a morning. And a while, when me land, me not even land yet, me in a plane. And I try call Cheese. For tell Cheese that me just land in Atlanta and if she alright and for tell her everything was going. Only if she say I want it go through and the DP gone. So me I say I can't block Cheese block me. And what me do for she block me? So I say I go check her Instagram. I check her Instagram, I can't find it. I say I go over TikTok. I take her TikTok, I can't find it. So I say, alright, I'm go up on Ice page and I saw me find her page. So, why mama block me? Why you block me? Because I send you $20. If you didn't want a full fare and ask for a full fare, you ask for a full fare and you would have get a full fare. So you come now and make it look like, say, I know you're a dangerous that a human being. You're dangerous. She dangerous. And you know one thing when I think she vexed about her. I tell you why she vexed too. She can't program me. And that make a girl vex. A girl can't program me. I'll tell you two ways a girl can't program me. She want me, guys, tell me if I'm wrong. You don't know, so when you come on to Bodies, Caribbean and the audition, then me want go. Right? But just do my best. My health come before all of them a stage show and them a banga and TV, reality, this and reality, that. Mama want me and her to go at Detroit or whatever the state name, Detroit, Saturday for go audition for the Bodies Midwest. I said, Cheese, as much as all me want to go, I can't go because I just do my best. She said, Vami, you really got the opportunity and miss you. Oh, no girl can touch you, I have your back. I said, that is not it. I just do my best. A girl can rush me, yes, but what will come after that? But I'm not going to stand up and make a girl rush me, mash up my breast where the stitches them not even fixed good in them yet. If you don't know if me going to get in a Bodies or not. So true, me tell her no, she have me up feet, she vex because she want me and her to go. And me tell her, set me nah go on the Bodies because my health come first. My health come first. And you could go Cheese because Natalie said 30. No, anybody over 30, she don't want a year's a granny. Remember your age, you know, remember good. Natalie said she don't want nobody over 30 and Cheese past 30, so she could go neither. And she want me and her to go and I say me nah go. One next thing to have her up under her skin, she push me for talk to Tracy and I don't want to talk to Tracy. This girl push me and force me for talk to Tracy and I don't want to talk to Tracy. Every day she say, Van, you know, say Tracy want to talk to you. Tracy want to talk to you and I talk to her, man. Give her one chance. I say, Cheese, them will easy can kill you. Them can't friend me and kill me. I don't want a friend stop force on the girl for me. But then when they at the hotel, she has to come with me and Tracy go the Bodies. Me I said, Cheese, if you want to go to the Bodies, go on to the Bodies, girl. Me and Tracy now going to. I don't want a friend from the woman and that's just play. The woman come gift me on TikTok when I come out and I run her off of my life. Ask me sensation them. But if I'm alive and you know remember Tracy when me and Tracy I did friend when the whole we did go meet up our Bodies. But if I'm alive since I come out of jail and Tracy come send me gift for my life and I run with Tracy off of my life and tell her I don't want a friend. Run her with wicked off of my life. And the people them tell me say Vanny Bill and you run her with Bill now and me run her and gone. And ever since me and Cheese friend, she just want me and Tracy. She just want me and Tracy to be this big friend and me no want and that get her in her feelings. As me say, me no need to come here so, come this her. Me no need to come chat where she did tell me about what man or who she sit down and chat with you. Now go get that from me. Me leave that to you, Cheese. And you can't say me sit down and chat with nobody can be. No sit down and chat with nobody. Since me come out of jail, Cheese I try influence me for do wrong. Like for example, every day she come tell me, oh RTD teeth $3,000 from me. Like she try, you know, like when you try to get somebody for I may tell her say him good man. Ask her tell her to prove it, no come make you prove it. Every time she and RT at it, she texts me And I say, Vanya, you have to talk to RT. I'm not friend, make you go, tell you for coming out with business about the man of thief and the man of this. Make sure show you the message them of me reply. Because if you don't want to show them, I can't show you them. My answer was RT a good youth, he never thief no money, him good man. I don't want to hear about that. I don't want to hear about that. That good. Like she want people on her side for cuss people and I not depend that. And she said she can't program me. Me and her can't go be friend. One thing my sister me and her can't be friend neither. I tell the girl say I want to work at Amazon. Nothing wrong if I want to work at Amazon. Nothing wrong if I want to work at Amazon. She go tell me say I have my social now. You know for your work on Amazon. A land we go buy and rent out. She has said me have my social, so I go buy one land, like put some real estate on it and build hotel and rent out hotel, and that me and her for do. Or me and her need to get up some whole heap of Jamaican girls and start fill with own a Jamaican bar, fill with own a Jamaican bodies. Get the girls them and start with own a bodies. And I say no man, I work more at work. Because you know I sleep in the night, I take a night shift for Amazon working at the night and come back out in the day. And every day the girl class me and tell me say me a idiot and me a this and me a that because you can't as a influencer she now go work for nobody, she would have work for her. She can't program me, bro. She said she can't program me. So that's why she behave the way she behave. So you see now, all me want to say, go and ask her what Ivany did to you, make you as an adult could sit down and talk about it. You get up and you block me. Me and you were there at the hotel. How long were they at the hotel? Over 1 week. Me there at the hotel. Good. Me there at the hotel. Good. Me no cuss. More than when me just tell us you're too loud. I'm gonna like a ghetto behavior and that's it. You beg me for make up and pay fear. You never ask me for your whole entire fear because you don't have it. And if you did feel offended, so me never give you the full fear, you could have at least text me and say, Vany, $20. All you have to do is say, Vany, $20 cannot pay my fear. I send you more. That's all you have to do. A comment and say, Vany, $20 can't pay my fear. I'm going to send you more than $20. But you never say you want a full fear. You say you want to make up. Because your fear must have did 40 or 50. One of them. I'm going to send you $20. All you have to do is just text me and tell me, say, you can't pay your fear. You want more. And but that's alright. And I would have send you more. And me just come from a hotel with me. I trust you and me put my head on pillow and sleep. Because I have to trust you for sleep around you. And you get up as a big woman and block me for everything and know you're there for your life and your course. The people in them offices say you're mad. The people in offices say you're mad.